Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
In this video, we will explore how to create multi-agent AI systems that can work together to automate complex business workflows. Multi-agent systems are an advanced way to leverage AI, where multiple agents collaborate, communicate, and share tasks to achieve a common goal. Let us begin by understanding why multi-agent AI systems are valuable. In many business scenarios, a single AI agent is not enough to handle all tasks efficiently. For instance, in an e-commerce platform, one agent might handle customer support, another could manage inventory, and yet another could analyze sales trends. By combining these agents into a coordinated system, businesses can automate entire processes while ensuring that each specialized agent performs optimally. The first step is defining the overall business workflow. You need to identify the tasks that can be automated and which agent will be responsible for each. Conceptually, think of this as dividing responsibilities in a team. One agent could be in charge of processing orders, another in charge of customer communications, and a third in charge of reporting analytics. By clearly defining roles, you ensure that the system runs smoothly and avoids overlap or conflicts. Next, we need to establish communication between agents. In multi-agent systems, agents must share information, request data, and coordinate actions. This can be achieved through messaging protocols or shared databases. For example, when the customer support agent identifies a common issue, it could notify the analytics agent to track and report trends. Conceptually, this is similar to how a human team shares updates and collaborates to solve problems efficiently. Another important aspect is task scheduling and prioritization. In real-world systems, not all tasks are equal. Some require immediate attention, while others can be deferred. Agents must be able to decide which tasks to execute first, which to delegate, and when to wait. By designing a clear decision-making framework, you allow your multi-agent system to operate autonomously while maintaining efficiency and accuracy. Memory and context are crucial in multi-agent systems. Each agent must remember past actions, learn from outcomes, and maintain context to make informed decisions. For example, if an inventory agent predicts a stock shortage, it should alert the purchasing agent to restock proactively. This shared context and feedback loop make multi-agent systems adaptive and intelligent, capable of improving over time without human intervention. Testing and simulation are key before deploying multi-agent systems in production. By running scenarios with multiple agents in a controlled environment, you can identify potential conflicts, bottlenecks, or communication failures. Conceptually, this is like a rehearsal before launching a real-world project, ensuring that all agents understand their roles and can collaborate effectively. Finally, consider scalability and monitoring. Multi-agent systems should be able to handle growing workloads, new agents, or additional tasks. Monitoring each agent's performance, task completion, and system interactions allows you to optimize the workflow continuously. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or custom dashboards can provide insights into agent performance, resource usage, and workflow efficiency. By understanding these principles and designing your multi-agent AI system carefully, you can build a system that not only automates complex business processes, but also adapts and improves over time. This capability is highly valuable for organizations aiming to increase efficiency, reduce manual effort, and leverage AI in a practical and sustainable way.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lanetiguide.net.